Research over the past 2 decades has revealed that gut health is critical to overall health. By improving gut health, it can help you to lose weight, boost your immune system, and lessen anxiety and depression. Many researchers believe that supporting gut health will be one of the most important goals of medicine in the 21st century. So what is the role of the gut? The gut plays a role in immune function, physiology function, providing a barrier between what is inside the body and what is outside, digestion, and nutrient absorption. It helps the body to digest certain foods, it helps with the production of some vitamins, and it plays an important role in the immune system. So, did you know there are 300 times more bacteria in your gut than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy? So remember, what compromises our guts? The way we live can contribute to unhealthy gut. For example, antibiotics and other medications, diets high in refined carbohydrates, sugar and processed foods, for example McDonald's, diets low in fibers, e.g. not enough vegetables, foods known to cause leaky gut, gluten, seed oils and refined sugar, chronic stress and chronic infections. So, remember, health is the best type of wealth.